ako sa pool area na walang naliligo dito sa Panda Hotel, no? Napakalamig. And yeah, since Monday that we got here, hindi pa namin nasilayan yung araw, no? Lagi lang siya makulimlim. And I think ganito talaga dito sa Hong Kong. And wala yatang araw, no? Lumiliwanag lang. And secret lang ho, pwede pala ditong hindi maligo, ano. Wala akong pawis, no? Hindi kami pinapawisan. And okay lang na konti yung dala naming damit, hindi masyadong marami, so pwedeng paulit-ulit. Alright. Anyway, I really would like to share with you something, no, na very very important for me, because this whole Hong Kong vacation is a dream, no? It used to be a dream. And about almost 8 years ago, pinangarap ko po ito. Pangarap ko po, no? And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na paano ba nakakamit yung pangarap. And nung nasa Disneyland po kami with my 2 kids, biglang nag-flashback sa akin, ano, na nung kinukunan ko sila dun sa nasa likod nila yung castle. Nag-flashback sa akin na about 8 years ago, nung nangangarap ako, pinicturean ko sila, then inedit ko po yun sa Photoshop, kinrap ko, then ipinatong ko sila dun sa castle ng Disneyland. Excuse me. Hanapin ko po yan, try kong i-upload. Nag-flashback sa akin yung, sabi ko, wow, ito mismo yung picture o yung vision na nakita ko when I was dreaming. Nung pinapangarap ko po ito, nag-visualize ako. Alright? So it's so important po talaga. Other than pangarap, napakahalaga po pala nung vision. Alright, so gusto ko i-share sa inyo na whatever you have, no, I'm sure every one of us, meron po tayong pangarap. Pero after you dream on something, no, after mo sinabi, gusto ko ng ganito, gusto ko maging ganito yung buhay ko, gusto kong magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng relationship, gusto kong maayos yung paligid ko, etc. Whatever your dream is, make sure it will be supported by a vision. Okay, so there should be a vision. So ito na po yung ako. Alright? So dapat po ma-visualize natin. Alright, so yun nga po yung sinasabi ko, that successful people, no, the great men, successful leaders, they see with their eyes closed. Why? Because when you close your eyes, doon mo nakikita yung katuparan ng pinapangarap mo. Okay, doon mo makikita in advance yung katuparan ng pinapanaginipan mo. Alright, so it should be so vivid that when you close your eyes, it's already happening. Okay, so ganun po ang ginagawa ko, and little did I know na yun pala yung dapat. Okay, when you dream of something, you make sure that that's very vivid vision na nakikita mo siya when you sleep. I'm not on your sleep, no? Before you sleep, when you close your eyes, pagkagising mo, before you even open your eyes, you see it happening. And every time you're awake, you just keep closing your eyes and see it happening, no? Pag nakatulala ka, you close your eyes, you see it happening. We call it a vision. So ganun po ang nangyari, no? This Hong Kong trip is just a vision. It's just a dream with a vision. Alright, so kung ano man yung pangarap mo, nakikita mo ba siya when you close your eyes? Please make sure you see it and envision yourself achieving it, or envision yourself na nangyayari na. Okay, so make sure lang po, no? Yung pong gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, because this is the way to go. At pinag-aralan ko po lahat ng mga successful people na naka-achieve ng kanilang mga pangarap, and vision is so important. Ito po yung magdadala sa iyo papunta doon. The vision will make you continue even though it's not happening. Okay, the vision will make you continue even though others don't believe and the situation doesn't make sense. It is when you close your eyes and you still see it, and it's vivid, it's happening, and then you smile. it puts a smile in your face. Then pag open mo, parang nangyari na. That is a vision. Alright, so yun pong gusto ko i-share sa inyo. Please, everything that I'm experiencing now, every happiness, every joy, is all part of a dream that I had 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago. But the difference is, I made sure that I look at it with my eyes closed. Why? Because pag dilat yung mata ko, wala akong makita. So mafo-frustrate lang ako. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Ang pangit naman. Hindi naman ito yung gusto ko. Alright? But if you have a vivid vision, you just keep closing your eyes. At isipin mo, at makikita mo sa isip mo na nangyayari. Believe me, you will get there. And I myself, nasusurprise po ko, lahat na nangyari sa buhay ko, lahat ng na-achieve na pangarap ko, nakita ko na before it even happened. So, and I am firmly believe it's not an accident, because pinag-aralan ko yung mga naka-achieve ng kanilang mga pangarap, ganun din ang ginawa nila at ganun din ang nangyari sa kanila. Alright, so please, when you dream, when you set your goals, make sure you visualize it clearly, vividly. Get pictures, cutouts, gawin mo lahat just to remind you. Ilagay mo yung sarili mo doon. Okay, cut out your picture. Iupo mo sa kotse na gusto mo, or cut out the picture for family. Ilagay mo sa dream house mo, and keep looking at it hanggang pumasok dito sa subconscious mo, hanggang pumasok dito sa isip mo, na kahit nakapikit ka, nakikita mo, nag-i-enjoy kayo, nangyayari, you're achieving it, and believe me, you will get there. It's just a matter of time, and all you have to do is to keep believing every day. Kahit na hindi nangyayari, kahit na ibang itsura ng actual, just keep believing na nangyayari na, and believe me, it will happen. Alright, so maraming salamat po. Nandito po ang aking bunso, si Aaron, okay, with his new toy from Disneyland. Sino yan?
Albert the monkey.
Si Albert the monkey. And my wife, si Mrs. Javier. Salamat po. And this is Hong Kong, ang city na hindi umaaraw. God bless everyone.